I'm Bonnie Baty, Marketing and Services Manager for CrowdFiber Internet, a subsidiary of Coleman Electric Cooperative in Coleman, Alabama. We are an internet service provider through our electric co-op. So as an electric co-op, we've always served our membership, and now that broadband is the new utility, we're serving our membership through providing internet service. So I started with NRTC almost 5 years ago as a CrowdFiber customer. That has really helped us with lead generation. That's how we determine when we are going to go into a market, and we are able to market to those customers, give them information about what's happening with our project, create demand, create interest, and then when the area goes live, that's when we really see the benefits from it, because we can generate orders literally overnight just by giving out the information to the customers that the area is now live. What I have found by using the CrowdFiber product has allowed me to use the data behind it. So I can go into board meetings and executive meetings, and I can actually give predictions on take rates and penetration and things that I was not able to do before. We can make better business decisions because we have the data behind it. I also use pivot services now as well. The people. I've made some great friends throughout the company. The support is great. Anytime I've ever called and said, hey, I have this wild and crazy idea, they're acted upon, and I get the support for all of my crazy ideas. My favorite dessert is Georgia pecan pie.
With
a la
ice cream?
mode.